Hey guys, guess what I'm getting? Yup, you looked at it, a new keyboard. So I wanted a new keyboard for personal use, not a replacement for my HyperX Alloy Curve RCV. And it's arriving tomorrow. So yeah, it's time for me to sleep right now because it's night as always. So night. That bettered my intro. He's here, the keyboard itself. Yup, that's a nice keyboard. So let's unbox it. I know how to unbox it. Kinda. Lesson Master. He's my dream keyboard. Yeah, those plastic surfaces. Oops, just screwed up that box. But I don't care. So, whoa, beautiful. Oh yeah, I just have to display it like this because but I don't care. Whoa, it sounds like good. Yeah. Perfect. I'm showing the box like that because I shattered the box opening the keyboard. Alright, let's boot her up. Beautiful. The favorite thing of mechanical keyboard fans is changing their keycaps. And I tried, and well, it's a little bit difficult, you know. Do you want to check out the light effects? Yeah, those light effects are cool. Let's test it with my HP laptop. Alright, I'm going to play that. Let's play this way. Night Friday. Yeah, I know that. I didn't get a box. Oh shoot. Well, I'm going down there. I don't care a lot. what I'm doing with my new keyboard. Alright, I have to look. Oh, I'm so stupid. It's the shop. Or whatever. Hop, 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 hop. Where is Snickers? 3 seat? Why? I'm leaving. What I'm going to play right now. Duolingo Hey Game Hub. When you congratulate me. Oh yeah, I'm learning German by Duolingo. Arcade. E. Ah. Rush E. Alright. Ah, it's loading. Ah, yeah. Hello? Hello, mouse? Hello, Stinky Mouse? Ah, yeah, it's working. Next. Next, 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 next. Ah, it doesn't open. Useless. I don't know what to play, so please wait. You know what? Thank you for losing 2 subscribers. I'm so happy for losing them. Except for the bad luck number on my most popular video when I was watching Kitty Cats and then mmmactivity2, which is a YouTuber named number 6, the bad luck number. Yeah, that's funny. Credit to him. I'm going to take a selfie with the keyboard. Mdoc rotation. Oops. Let's see how the keyboard sounds like. Mmm, yummy!